think we're live. Cool. Alright. Well, this will be a live analysis of Avalanche and Solana. Since Avalanche did win the poll in the Discord, so I'll be doing a live analysis later on with Avalanche. Right now I'm just starting out with Solana, just kind of updating everything as we kind of go. And I'm just gonna mute a lot of things. Start off with dailies and kind of look for tap daily. So again, really what I'm looking for is a price pivot or a change in price, and just kind of making note of that. That change in price really on different time frames. So we did kind of crush through those. Up here, I have another possible daily. And below us, right here, another daily level. And really that should be it. Moving on to weekly. Again, nothing to really change there. So many bearish candles in a row. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in a row. Jeez. And then monthly, nothing to really change there. So this might be a little bit more of a quick analysis, but again, nothing to change on the Fibonacci. I suppose we can do kind of that. See if I have that. Oh yeah, I do. Okay, so I have that on my local analysis. Not much to change there. Volume, I know we're gonna have to change. And look at that, the valley area high is totally different. And the point of control didn't really change. But we can add another fixed range and just kind of do it before we started to really dump down. And this is kind of the old valley area that we were trading in for quite some time. POC, point of control, and then of course our valley area high. VH. What should I name this? Previous volume. So again, $81 level is strong resistance. And then I do have like a mini range that we were trading in for quite some time. So again, it's important to kind of look at volume on a y-axis and then a x-axis, like this. So I'll just turn that off to avoid clutter. Anyone in here? I think it'll help me a lot. Would you only use that strategy if you missed a trade on the level? Yeah, pretty much. It's just a like common trend reversal pattern. Really works well on the daily and weekly levels. But yeah, it does take a while to get kind of used to. It is like a specific pattern. Again, it can vary, but it is kind of more advanced, but it works very well. It's what I noticed. It's working really well right now. I don't know, in a year's time it might be different, so that's why as a trader you always kind of have to adjust and yeah, just kind of weed out everything. So yeah, I'll move on to Exo charts. Gonna load this up. We'll go to Solana. Alright, so nothing really new. Nothing new below here. Zooming out. Gonna take a little while. Hopefully my computer doesn't crash. It's doing alright right now. But again, this trend-based time, right now we are right on a pivot, so could be a possibility that we start pumping from here, but may never know. Then maybe once we hit this $81 level, maybe we'll get a rejection at the 3.5, and that is about 17 days away. So it could be a possibility that we kind of get a relief rally up to 81 and then just kind of reject down off of that. Again, I can do another trend-based fib time just from the high up here to a sudden move down, and then we'll click that same spot again. And yeah, that worked pretty well. So these have been working pretty well. Yeah. There's really not much liquidity below us. We are pretty low. But we'll look at Naked Weekly. Again, at 81, that $81 level is very significant. I'll actually kind of I'll add more to here. See what's going on. Yeah, I shorted ETH, but my risk management is so bad. I had my sample way too big and didn't make a whole lot. Oh yeah. Depends on your like win-loss ratio. Probably want to adjust your like risk to reward ratio and only take specific trades based off of that. Usually a 2-to-1 is what most people aim for. So that is a can be a good sign to aim for. As we have a naked weekly point of control way up there. And that's really about it for Solana. Let's start these. Alright, 107. So our charts is so slow. It looks like 190 about. Wow, okay, there's one below us at 28.40, 145. Be interesting if we save that. again, I want to look at and see what's going on with this. Increase my tick size. Okay, good. So it looks like $28. I'm not gonna mark out naked dailies because I don't know, maybe I'll try. I don't know what I'm doing yet. Again, that $28 level, having good confluence so far. $11. Again, I doubt we'll come down that far. And what's the other one? $5.75. $3.50. Okay, that should be it. Then lastly, we'll go on daily. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, yeah, stop loss. Yeah, so smaller position sizes and larger stop loss. It's what you need in crypto. It's especially right now where we're kind of like in a bear market. It's really hard to trade. You gotta like decrease your position size. You aren't gonna get totally rich. Just wait till the bear or the bull market starts, and then you're gonna have those tight stop losses. But again, bear markets are really where the good traders are born. So kudos to you for trading through all of this. Yeah, usually just where you're going to be invalidated in a like a swing area, I guess. 25.65. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the liquidity down there. Okay, there's a few more. 15.75. And there's one more that I see. 13.875. Okay, that was tedious, but we got it all. And really we could have a little pitchfork, I suppose. If price does come down here, I'll show you what I mean. Pitchfork. Turn off this. I don't know. I'd like to see price kind of come down and then we can add this pitchfork. I'd like to add it, but I want to see price come down towards that, then I can add it. But just the idea. So yeah, that's it for Solana. We'll look at kind of confluence, regions. Alerts will turn those off. Alright. We'll look at rectangle. So again, this zone, strong resistance. This 82 to 80 level. Again down here. Nice support. Then really way down here. I'll zoom in a little bit. This might be kind of like vague, but really $28 to $25. Very good support. And then right up here, $100 roughly. Give it some wiggle room to really the golden pocket. And then right here, and right here. I've been liking weekly levels a lot to trade off of. The trend reversal will be amazing off of those weekly pivot points, where it's just a weekly and then it's a fib. Those create such a good target to trade off of. Oh yeah. I'll make a video on that too. I'm slowly making exochart videos. I made a bunch today, so my voice is kind of losing my voice right now. So yeah, here it is. Here's the chart. And I'll add these in the Discord. Next we'll kind of do AVAX. Let me add that up to my... Actually, I might just do the Binance chart. Yeah, I'll just do the Binance chart because there's more price history. Oh, this is Bybit. What am I doing? Yeah, Binance. There we go. Yeah. Cool. All right. We are gonna start fresh with this. So we'll start off with our dailies, looking for pivot points. Hopefully I don't lose my voice during screen. Again, it's very similar to Solana. I was close to doing Matic, but that one didn't win. So going up here. And then really the kind of the all-time high. Then we'll kind of look over over here. I wanna. We can do it. We can do it. Actually, I'm just gonna delete this one because it's kind of been touched or tapped already. And right here, way down here. Way down here. And then way down here. All right, that should be good. All right. All right, cool. Going with weeklies. I'm very close to getting another monitor so I can see live chat on my other screen. Very close. I might actually buy one today, but I checked on Friday and they were all sold out of monitors. Well, the ones I wanted. I like to stick with HP. But again, just a personal preference. That's why I have to switch screens all the time. Oh well. Weekly way down there, and then we'll add in this weekly. Okay. Monthly. So quiet, man. And then this monthly way down here. Then what I can do is add a trend-based fib time. From right here to right here. Let's see how well that works. Hasn't really been too respected, but pretty amazing though. Look at that pivot point, right here, pivot point, then right here, pivot point. So what one was that? This one. I'll get rid of that. We'll do regular fibs. what we can do is a fib negative, or expansion, I mean. So we got those. I should probably add that onto my Solana chart. Again, nice expansion levels. With these expansion levels too, keep in mind is that we're looking for the 1.133. Nice, pretty well respected with altcoins. Yeah, check out my playlist of fib-based time. I have a video on it. And I even had one on expansion, and I one on negative fibs. So, fibs are amazing. I think they're my favorite tool. Plus, what's cool about it is that, like, with fibs, like, your eye is a 618 of your, like, whole head width, or height, I mean. So, very cool. We'll add on the 886. And we did kind of tap that at $25. I don't even know if I want to do this, but we'll do it anyway. So $17. We'll add on the 786. Yeah. Turn that off. Alright, so we only have this 76 left. Yeah, it's respected in altcoins a lot, especially with Solana. What I like a lot too is when the 786 and the 0.5 fib level line up pretty nicely. I'll show you what I mean. So like right here, $87, zoom in, 786 and 0.5 fib level lining up. Very nice confluence. I love to see that. I'll take that trade. And then this will just be the last really local thing that I'm looking at. We're rejected off the 0.5, it looks like. So yeah, that's it for fibs. Save that. Fibs and volume I like a lot. We'll just turn those on. We'll I don't know if I want to keep that. But I do like this. I like to see this. Make these blue. Really, for a very bullish case scenario, you want to see a break above the valley area low. Then your next resistance is the point of control. Once we crush through the point of control, your ultimate take profit is this valley area high. So again, just from a standpoint, if we come into here, get acceptance into there, range a little bit. Next take profit is your point of control, crush through that, gain acceptance, and then your next take profit would be your valley area high, kind of. Because there might be a scenario where we do this, get acceptance above this valley area high, come up to the point of control and get a rejection off of it. Just some scenarios I've noticed with volume, or just kind of how volume area works. And again, I like to use I'll keep it at 70 actually. Then of course we can do this little range right here till we kind of drop down. So likewise, when we're kind of coming down, again, if we lose, like say we're up here, see we kind of crushed through the valley area high, came into acceptance into the point of control, dropped down, finally lost the valley area low, came down, got a retest of it, and then we kind of said goodbye to price. So it's interesting. Naked sessions, yeah, I do. Actually just made a video on merging sessions, so it'll be out this week. I should probably start using sessions a lot more for scalping. They're just really like scalp based. Unless you have like a large discrepancy between volume and time, but it doesn't occur too often. It's very rare. I've only traded like 2 in my lifetime since I've started using that. So yeah, what else do we have? Got a wick down here. Cool, 35-minute stream so far. Nice. And again, these are swing Philly patterns. So I'm seeing some nice confluence already. Way down here. Could be this could be another possible one. The 133. So I'll kind of add that in there. I don't know, it's a really small region. Very small, just the 133. So again, 2158. Very small confluence, but can work. Right here. Then of course this would be a very good one. $86 roughly. Actually, I'll kind of increase it to up there. And then we got this weekly and monthly. Where's this fib pulled from? Okay, from all-time high. So that probably takes more significance. And of course this will be a very nice short to 120. Holy cow, look at all those possibilities. Oh. So yeah, that's it. Yeah. I don't really use the 1 minute too much. Actually, can do naked dailies. Is there avax in here? No, there isn't. All right, so I'll close out of it. But yeah, that's it. Feel free to go ahead and just add alerts at each level, and have fun trading. So I'll see you guys later. Yeah, nice. All right.